What's up, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda out here with my Audi A4 B7 model. I want to show you how to replace the wiper blades. Now, it's a little strange, I think, that I'm going to show you how to do this because it's not super self-explanatory. So if your wiper blades look like this, they have this big long leading edge that blends into this arm. This is probably going to be the same for everyone. As you can see here, it doesn't slide on. It's not a post like some of the Porsches where it's just one-sided. And so it's probably a little easier for me to show you on one of the new wiper blades. So you can see how this is a match here. You've got to get these OEM things, and you actually have to push this cap forward. So you have to put quite a bit of pressure right there and then slide it forward because you've got to open up this little hole here. Once you push down on it and slide it forward, you're going to get an opening here, and then you're going to be able to put the post in there and slide it back. Now, because of corrosion, getting these other wiper blades off and getting that thing to slide forward is a little easier with a large flathead screwdriver to kind of twist it and get that pushed forward. And so back on. I will tell you that these are kind of the most painful and difficult wiper blades to put on. Now, it probably goes without saying, but you can see here, these OEM-like blades have a protector on the blade itself, so this sucker has to come off this plastic piece. You will notice that they don't wipe very well if you don't do that. But that's it. How to put wiper blades on your Audi A4. Peter von Panda, out.